is the man of the hour. What's up, baby? We here.
At least somebody in this group is on time.
What's up?
What's up?
All right. So you got to give us a rundown on what we got going.
All right, we're about to go up the Falling Waters Trail up to Little Haystack, 4,700 feet.
Is that really what we're doing?
Waterfalls.
I thought it was Franconia Ridge.
Well, the first mountain on the ridge is Little Haystack. So once we get
Sounds
on top of
intimidating.
Little Haystack, then we're on Franconia Ridge. We're going to hit Lincoln, Lafayette, and then that'll be that. Come down. Hopefully we get some good weather here.
11:30 rain.
I don't think so.
12:30 rain.
I don't think so.
Mr. Positive, no rain.
No rain.
No rain.
No rain. Maybe a little wind.
It's gonna be low rain.
Some clouds.
The girls have never hiked before.
The ball coming?
Yes.
Yo, yo.
Is that bad? Steph's got it. Look at yourself. You're beautiful this morning. Bam. Yo, yo, yo. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a very special edition of How to Health Nature Therapy Edition. And as you could have already told, we are not at home base for this week. We are hiking the Franconia Ridge up in New Hampshire in the White Mountain Range and getting a little exposure to Mother Earth. Breathing some fresh air, hanging with friends, getting movement in. Like, what more can you ask for here? Hey, do you get car sick? We'll be popping out, talking about a little bit of research, some new research that's coming out around nature, its benefits, and why you should really get out in it a little more. But mostly, we got a nature vlog going. Enjoy. All right, so here's the deal. We just touched down here in New Hampshire. Crew's rallying up, meeting up, other room. I'm eating some oranges, cooking some beans, and we're gonna plan out the Franconia Ridge tomorrow. Looks like some storms are coming in. Gonna probably have to go on the earlier side. Wanted to go at 8, probably gonna have to go at like 6, 5:30ish. All worth it. Got some of the same players from Olympic National in the last nature therapy video, second to last, or first nature therapy video. Ace Hammer's back, Dave's back, got a couple of new faces. This is total other side of the country. Get a little quality nature time. Nature and friends, two of the best medicines there are, right? Remember that, write that one down. Hopefully no one dies. All right, everyone is getting up. We got the ridge, it's 5:10 in the morning, and they're moving slow. Weather's coming in at 11:30, 12, thunderstorms. Gotta get going. See some clouds back there. Thunderstorms at 11. 8 hours, 7 to 8 hour hike. I gotta get everyone in the car. We'll see you there.
Alright, well right now, do you want heated seat or air conditioned or nothing?
Tay, how you feeling?
Nauseous as fuck, but you know.
You good?
We got this.
Oh,
I may throw
why
up
are we
a
turning
few
the music
times.
off?
Because the mic's
Oh,
on.
Oh.
shit. I forgot my sunglasses.
But this is a great song.
Okay, then play it. Let's do it.
Tay Tay.
I'm gonna get copyright fucking infringement, but thanks.
No, sir. What if I sing it?
No, that works.
And swim through your veins like a fish.
We can't
Those are mine. No,
sing.
it's mine.
Why do we need
This
sunglasses?
truck has everything.
It's gonna rain.
Do you want a pair of sunglasses?
It's gonna be like torrential downpour. We don't need sunglasses.
We're
Why
fucked!
saying
It's
that?
not
Just
gonna
be like,
torrential
dude.
downpour.
I have my first complaint.
What's
Okay.
that?
Everyone was late this morning, except Ace.
Whoa! Excuse me. Who was up at 4:30 in the
Who
morning?
wanted to go back
Who-
to bed
who the
when no
fuck-
one was moving?
Oh, you know what? Thanks, Andrew. At
I'm
least
not
somebody's
trying
prepared
to
here.
create bickering for content right now, alright? I'm not.
Say what? I just
It's gonna be a
I said,
reality
but
show
you
here.
rallied.
Oh yeah, I rallied.
People
I've
like
never rallied
arguments.
times, but, like,
I had an alarm set for 4:30. Okay.
5 hours on the trail for 11
Yo, Dave, you're out of your mind.
You think we're getting up in we're getting up and down in 5 hours?
No.
We might get to the summit in 5 hours.
Yeah.
We're gonna get.
If we're lucky.
I would agree.
Final summit.
No, the first summit.
Final countdown.
I think we're gonna be in the woods when it starts raining. That's my prediction. And 6.5 hours.
I don't think it's even gonna rain.
That
That's
is
what we
something
need.
I agree
Honestly, why are we not all saying that? Manifest our destiny.
I'm gonna
No.
kill a bear with my bare hands on the fucking trail.
I'm just gonna make it through. That's all I care about.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try not to throw up. So.
on. All right, so no real surprise here. We know nature is good. We've evolved in nature for many, many years getting up to this point. We've been outside for most of our evolution, and just recently we really, became, I don't want to say civilized, but we've become a primarily indoor species, and I think that's played a big role in us being able to live longer because there's less stress on us, but it's also shown to be detrimental in ways. So some new research, again, not surprising, coming out in 2020, showing and reiterating that nature is one of the best stress reducers we have. Getting out in the elements, seeing the green, breathing the air, hearing the abundant sounds and the wildlife is just therapeutic. Quality nature time. I mean, come on. You take nature, you add movement. What a combo. All right, 2 miles in. What's the assessment? Ace, how high are we?
How high are we actually, or how much have we gained?
Both, give me both.
I feel like we're
Guesstimates.
I feel like we're like 2,800 feet,
Okay.
and I think we gained 1,000.
Tay, how many miles?
1.4.
How we feeling, Dave?
Pretty swell.
1.4, 51 minutes in.
The endorphins, though, are starting to kick in.
Yeah.
The adrenaline.
Feels
The
good.
fatigue, I mean adrenaline.
How much elevation?
It doesn't give me that.
You didn't put it on hiking?
I did. Oh wait, feet gained, 899.
And
Feet
what's
elevation
Dude,
gained.
we were close.
what's the sum? What Ace?
that
What's
happens.
the first mountain?
4,700.
But what's it called?
Little haystack.
Little Haystack, 4,700. We're at
It's usually within.
2,800. We're there. All right, we are reaching the top of Little Haystack. Catching some views. I mean, what's better than movement in nature? All right, we're up top, and we're gonna go to Mountain Man for the report.
Views are awesome. About to walk to that mountain over there, Lincoln. Feeling pretty good. Everybody jammed through it. 4,700 feet. And we're about to climb up to 5,000.
All right, we just got to Little Haystack, heading to Lincoln over there. I mean, this is what it's all about. Freshest air in the Northeast. Wind's a little crazy, but sun's out. Like I said before, the movement, sweat, sun, nature combo is therapeutic. Probably touched on some research already, but a lot of new studies coming out about the effects that a little bit of nature, once a week, a couple of hours a day, getting in the sun, makes all the difference. Going back to our roots of really evolution. This is where we evolved. Deep in our genetic codes, we have ties into all this that just de-stresses us. One paper points to the exposure of nature as being both beneficial on the organism, us, as well as the planet. We connect more with the planet, thus we make better decisions for the environment. So me living in New York City, this is definitely one of the things you try to do to get out a little bit. Another study focusing on our oh so willing human guinea pigs, college undergrads, shows that getting out in nature for 10 minutes a day has profound impacts on their levels of stress. Once a week, stress, anxiety, depression, helps with it all. We'll talk to you at Lincoln over there. Yo, Mountain Man, can we get an update? Yeah, where are we?
Here we are at the summit of Lincoln Mountain. We've now cracked the 5,000 foot barrier. A little bit windy, breeze feels nice. We're gonna play catch with this rock. We're feeling pretty good, everybody's doing well. Just beasted another climb.
Stuff?
Get to the
Feeling good?
Lafayette summit out there.
Yeah, we didn't talk about the throw up, but
Now we know. And we're heading to Lafayette over there, man.
bitches.
Tallest mountain outside the presidential range.
A lot of people getting in on the nature today, can I say? Good vibes up here. Where we at?
All right, man. We made it to the summit of Mount Lafayette. We walked the whole ridge trail from Little Haystack to Lincoln and Lafayette. We're on the tallest mountain outside of Presidential Range. It's beautiful up here. Look at this.
How was
Good
the
day.
hike? Look at Taylor, she's loving it.
It was mentally and physically challenging, but it was rewarding. Here we are.
What's the altitude?
5,000 something?
8,000 feet. I knew it.
8,000, 3,000 feet.
And how do we get down? Parachute?
We're just gonna roll right off the cliff edge right there and hopefully land in the parking lot. That's the way to go.
That's the only strategy. The trip down begins. Everyone is happy. Yo, Ace, let's recap.
All right. Well, we're just about done. Finally made it back to the end of the trail. I think it was called Old Bridle Path. We're spent. Gonna go take a shower, maybe dip in the river, dip in the pool.
This
All in
isn't
all.
sweat. Or is it?
We got to duck our head in a little bit of a stream over there. That was nice. Nice reward for our efforts.
Did it meet your expectations?
Yeah, it was awesome. That ridge line was so much fun. Beautiful views.
What would you do different? What was the best part?
The best part was walking the ridge line, I feel like. Going from Lincoln to Lafayette. Those views are awesome, man. You can see for miles in any direction.
Being immersed in nature.
Gorgeous, yeah. Just being out here, pushing your body to the limit, you know? That's what it's
Yeah.
all about.
All done?
We're alive. We did it. We
Did you ever have a doubt?
Absolutely.
yeah.
What was the best part?
Getting to the top of the first one, Little Haystack. I didn't realize
Needle
how many
in.
more we're
Yeah,
gonna
until
go.
realizing there was more tops right after the first top.
Yeah.
There's more than one top. I didn't know. Now what are we gonna do?
Mount Washington.
No, aren't we gonna celebrate?
We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna get fucking sloshed, baby. At least I know I am.
Let's get out of here. So, hope you enjoy. And if you leave here with anything at all, go outside. Have a week.